In this fifth chapter, we are going to study some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas from the following points of view. First, formation of fossil fuels. Second, products obtained out of natural resources. Third, uses of natural resource and its products. Next, availability is limited and effects of its use of these resources on environment. Guidelines given by Petroleum Conservation Research Association PCRA. Let's begin. First, let us study the meaning of fossil fuels. The fuels which were formed from the dead remains of living organisms called fossils are known as fossil fuels. Example: coal, petroleum, natural gas. Let's note some important points. Fossil fuels are exhaustible. They must be used wisely. They cause pollution to the environment. We find fossil fuels at various places in India. We use these fossil fuels in our daily life. Topic 5.1 Coal. Coal is black in color. It is as hard as stone. Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Earlier, coal was used in railway engines to produce steam. The steam was used to run the steam engine. Here you can see the steam locomotive. Coal is also used in thermal power station to generate electricity. You would have seen thermal power plants. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. So you can have a look of all the uses of coal. See, coal is used in steam engines, in thermal power plants and as a fuel in various industries. Let's discuss the story of coal, that is formation of coal. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forests in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and high temperature, these dead plants got slowly converted into coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. That is, carbonization is the process by which the dead vegetation is converted into coal. Since coal is formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called fossil fuel. After the coal is mined from the coal mine, it is taken for processing. When coal is heated in air, it burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. When coal is processed in industry, useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas is obtained. Let us study its uses of each one of the products obtained in the processing of coal. This chart shows products obtained from processing of coal, that is coke, coal tar and coal gas. Let's study about coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an element which is almost pure form of carbon. What are the uses of coke? Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Second one is the coal tar. Coal tar is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industry. These substances are synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, etc. Do you know one thing? Naphthalene balls, which we use to repel moths and other insects in our homes, are obtained from coal tar. The next one is the coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. Coal gas is used in many industries as a fuel. These industries are situated near the coal processing plants. Let's note some important points. Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in the year 1810 and in the New York in the year 1820. Nowadays, coal gas is used as a source of heat rather than light.